Alright, everybody. Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. Today is the day. Today is the day. I gotta do the rehousing for Crunk, my tarantula. It's the day I've not looked forward to. If I told you I was excited about this, I'd be lying. But it needs to be done because his burrow collapsed a bit. I mean, he still has a bit of a burrow in there, so he's like can still hide, but it definitely has gone down, and it needs to be. He needs a new home. So I ended up going out and getting him a new container, and I've got it all set up. And now it is time. It is time to do the rehousing, and it's fine. I'm brave. I can do this. This is why I got the tarantulas, right? I got the tarantulas to conquer my fear. And that's what we're doing. We are conquering the fear. I have already held them. It is fine. That was a fun experience. I did it. So this should not be a big deal, right? It's fine. It's fine. let's check out my setup. Sorry about the lighting, I just came down. But you would think that after all this time I'd be better prepared for doing rehousing of tarantulas. However, um, I'm just like barely making do here. I was not really prepared for actually rehousing of tarantulas. I don't exactly have all the tools you'll see in, like, those big tarantula keeper videos with all that. But I got the basics and I'm making it work. So I'm going to show you what I've got set up for myself. And then I'm going to somehow attach my phone to the tripod that I had for my other camera. I don't exactly have a tripod for my phone yet, so I'll have to finagle something so that I can angle it down and you guys can watch me do this extremely terrifying thing that I'm about to do. So, yeah, let's get this started. All right, so I'm on my floor because I don't really have a table to work with. Yes, we have a dining room table downstairs, but I actually live with a family of 5, and there are 3 children, and it would just be too much of a distraction, and I don't want to be distracted while I'm doing this, so I'm doing it upstairs in my room in the space that I have, which is on my floor, and so I have got like this screen just kind of set up, and that's a setup so that it can't run under the enclosure there right off the bat. And I've got my basics here. So this is like my workstation that I have cut off. Hopefully will help me to stop any runaway that might happen. I'm really hoping that nothing does happen like that, but we will see. Okay, and so I've got this container to put in the old dirt substrate stuff. I have got some tong tweezer things, whatever these things are called, to help pull out the substrate that is in there, because a lot of it is webbed up, and so it's just going to kind of come out in clumps. And then I also have a tiny straw. People will tend to use paintbrushes, but like I said, I'm unprepared. I should be prepared at this point, but I'm not. So I have a straw. I have seen people use them, so I am going to attempt to use straw today in this. Then, of course, I have got the new setup and enclosure. This was the coconut hide that was actually in Sarabi's enclosure, but she has stopped using it. She's not used it in a very long time since I set up the new thing with the rack and the leaves. She just kind of hides in the leaves on the rack, so she has not used this in a very long time. And if she's not there, she's burrowed. So I decided to take it and put it in here instead with just a piece of leaf, which I will probably take out and adjust with different plantage later. But for now, I just wanted something green in there, because, yeah. And then a little water dish that I don't have anything in yet. I just don't know how this is going to go. I don't want to end up pouring dirt in it and have to change it out anyway, so I will put water in after it is all done. And that is it. I mean, I have put holes in the side. As you can see, they're not, they're not professionally done. They're not like, top-notch holes, because I don't actually have a soldering iron, so you can actually just kind of tell I took a screwdriver and heated it up and burned the holes in. So that's why those look like that. But it has done the job. There is cross ventilation, and I am not worried about that. So let's get this phone strapped onto the tripod and in place and get started with this scary rehousing that I have to do. Alright, so let's get this started. We're gonna move that out of the way and bring him over here so that you guys can see what is happening in there. It has just kind of collapsed. It might also be that I let it get a little bit dry, but either way, it needs to be changed. And there he is, right down there. So let's get started. Alright, lay it off. Pull that out like so. I'm gonna try to act like I'm braver than I actually am here. Alright. Maybe I should get a spoon, eh? This might take a while. There we go. Careful. Alright, let's see. I think I'm gonna need to go get a spoon. Yep, I need a spoon. Be right back. We've got our spoon. So, let's bring this back here like so. Okay, that was our original piece of bark in there. Okay. Alright, decided to switch to the other side since I realized that I was probably blocking most of the view from that side. So, hopefully this is much better for you guys to see. Continuing on. Alright. I'm going slow. I don't want to hurt him. I also don't want to cause anything more to collapse on him than necessary. So I'm going somewhat slow here. I'm just gonna Alright. Grab that. Oh. There he is. Oh, there's some webbing. Right there. Alright. Get that off there. See if I can get him to show up in there. Yeah, there he is. Looking good. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Get to moving, pretty boy. Get to moving. Oh, I know. There's some webbing like right in your face. Can I move it? Oh, don't you kick hairs at me. I know. I know. I'm a noob here. I'm sorry. I'm trying. So sorry, but we're working it out. We're working it out. Oh, whoa. Slow it down, Joe. Slow it down. We're not running. We're gonna cruise into our new home. Cruise. You guys see him there? He's coming out. He's coming out. Alright, let's see. Cruising. Cruising. Keep going. Come on. Into our new home. You got dirt all over your booty. Nope. We're not going back. We're not going back. Come on. Come on. Keep it going, pretty boy. You got this. We got this together. Come on. Come on. Keep going. I got this. You got this. We got this together. There we go. I really hope that's coming in on the camera. I can't see anything right now. nor can I stop to even try to. So, we're going good. I hope you guys can, because it's going beautifully. All right. All right, we're in. Yeah, yeah, you did. I did. I can see it now. You guys definitely saw that. All right, there we go. Crunk is in. He is in his new home. Headed straight for that hide. There you go. You had hairs all on your booty from the collapse. I'm sorry. But I hope you appreciate my efforts, because that was actually a lot less scary than I expected it to be, huh? It went so smoothly. So yeah, there it is. Crunk has been officially rehomed. You can just see his booty in there. Gonna go ahead and get some water in his little water bowl there. Put the lid on and let him chill. There you go, everybody. Tavian's World of Reptiles are successfully, without any harassment, without any need of that cup. Didn't have any running. It was great. I rehoused my tarantula. I did it. Yay! I hope it goes just as well when I do my curly hair tarantula. I mean, I hope it goes just as well when I do my pink toe tarantula. So, there it is. You guys take care. Love yourselves. Love your arachnids. Love your reptiles. Love your loved ones. You guys keep spreading those herbs.